You got me feeling kinda crazy. You got me feeling like my head is spinning round. The way you look is so amazing, amazing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making jewelry. No, this isn't typically things that I do, but this company Beebeecraft contacted me and wanted to know if I wanted to try out a couple products they have on their website. And let me tell you, their website is so overwhelming and not in a bad way. Like, there's so many things to choose from. It took me probably like 3 hours, and I'm not joking, to try to find something that I wanted to do that maybe was slightly easy. But I have watched so many jewelry tutorials within the last week just to figure out how to make a bracelet. Like, it is insane. Like, it is insane the techniques and stuff it takes to make jewelry. I thought I got some easy stuff to make because they have kits and stuff, and their stuff is so nice. They come in these little boxes like this. This one is like a necklace thing, so it comes with these pins, and then it comes with the clasp. I mean, it comes with everything to make a necklace. So it comes with the beads, it comes with everything that you need to make. It comes with earrings. So I'm gonna try to make some earrings, and it comes with, oh, I'm just gonna show you guys a little close-ups of all this stuff in a little bit. But I thought that was really cool, so I was like, these are really cute, and I thought Scarlett would really love like the little like moon rocks and stuff that this comes with. But they sent me this bracelet making kit, so it comes with these bangles. I'm like super obsessed with these. I've already actually put one on because I was practicing. But it comes with 4 of them, and I picked gold. I thought that was really pretty, and then it comes with a ton of stuff you can put on the bracelets, and this is really, really exciting. Like, there is such pretty stuff. And their website isn't that expensive. I'm not really sure how much jewelry making kits are, but I'm assuming it's not cheap once you buy the beads and stuff like that, because I know beads are pretty pricey anyways. So I'm super excited to make some of these. I cannot wait. Like, this is already so pretty, and it only has like one little gem on it. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna get started making this. Say hi. I can't get away. I can't get away even if I tried. And now everything's crooked. But I'm gonna get started. Okay, so here is everything close up. So it comes with 3 of these wire bangles and then like a torque bangle. It comes with a ton of cute little pendants and beads. It also comes with head pins, a jump ring, a velvet jewelry bag, and it comes with this cute little plastic box that I already showed you. This is what I tried making the bracelets look like. I could not figure out how to get the tree on, but like, you guys, I'm a rookie here, so bear with me. It was really hard showing this because, oh my gosh, I was like struggling really bad because obviously I didn't have the right tools. So I do recommend that if you do try out jewelry, to have the right tools so it's not such a struggle. But I was getting everything on there. I had these little tiny like needle, what are they called? Needle nose pin pliers, something like that. Anyways, we're just going to totally ignore what I just said right there. But you have to take like these little jump rings, and then you have to like pretty much open them up using 2 different needle nose pliers. That is what they're called. I finally figured it out. But I just kind of added a few things here and there, just trying to make this as easy as possible for me. But I thought these were so cute, and I love all the charms that they come with. And like I said, like, I am not a jewelry maker, so do please forgive me for not having the right tools. Like, I totally understand that it's not, but look how cute these turned out. Like, for not having the right materials and stuff to make these with, these turned out so cute. I love these little feet. They had 2 of those, so I had to use both of them because I'm like, you know what? Those represent my little girls, and these were so cute. And this next kit, this one was one of my favorites. This was an hollow bead cage pendant necklace, and you can also make these like little drop earrings. So I had to watch so many tutorials, but you know what, you guys? I am so proud that I actually made this stuff. Like, I am so excited about it. And also, Scarlett got to join in, and she also helped make this. So she made a necklace, and I thought this was so cute. And I was so happy that she actually got involved and like helped me make this. We love making bracelets and necklaces and stuff together. But I was so excited I made earrings, you guys, because I just kind of clicked some of those little jump rings together and made those cute little earrings. I thought those were so cute, and I love the pink color. I love all of the colors of these stones. I just love everything. So okay guys, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Beebeecraft who sent these to me. These are my new earrings. You guys will never see me wear dangly earrings because after like 10 minutes they hurt my ears. My ears are like so sensitive, but these are so stinking cute and I made them, so that makes it even better. So I'm so excited, and I got these on. These are like awesome. But yeah, I think these are so pretty. I absolutely love these. I had to use how to make jewelry a little bit better because anybody who actually makes jewelry knows that I was like struggling like no other. I like cut my finger up, stabbed it, blood everywhere. I mean, I didn't obviously have the right pliers. So you guys, you know, their stuff is really, really cool. Like I really, really like their stuff. So make sure you go and check their website out. You will be on there for like 4 hours trying to decide what you want. And I think their prices are really, really reasonable. So anyways, make sure you go check them out. Then we can make bracelets together. And okay. So thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe and make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And here's my new necklace. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!